So think of a problem. Let's solve one problem which is given as x of n 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1. Now one conventional way of doing that is you plug it in here, that is you write your formula x of k equal to summation n equal to 0. This is a 4 point, or let's say n minus 1 x of n into w k n of n, right? This is one way of solving it, that is you plug it in here. So x of 0 will become, now k equal to 0 here, right? So this will become summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n into wkn will be 0, right? So this is x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. Similarly, k equal to 1, x of 1 becomes equal to summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n into w 2 pi n, 2 plus w kn will become n of n, right, or n of 3. So this is in turns becomes equal to x of 0 into w0 of 3 plus x of 1 into w1 of 3 plus x of 2 into w2 of 3 plus x of 3 into w3, this is 4, right? So here I got it wrong. So this is xn of 4, n is 4, right? I took n minus 1. So this will be, here will be x of, I'll just redo this. So w0 of 4, w1 of 4, w2 of 4 and w3 of 4. Okay, so same way you plug it in here, w0 of 4, w1 of 4, w2 of 4 and w3 of 4, you will get your answer. So k equal to 2, you get x of 2 summation n equal to 0 to 3 x of n into w2n of n, or w2n of 4, right? So this becomes equal to x of 0 into w0 of 4 plus x of 1 into w2 of 4 plus x of 2 into w4 of 4 plus x of 3 into w6 of 4. This is what you get. So same way, k equal to 3, you have the fourth coefficient is x of 3, is n equal to 0 to 3 x of n into w3n of n, which becomes equal to x of 0 into w0 of 4 plus x of 1 into w3 of 4 plus x of 2 into w6 of 4 plus x of 3 into w9 of 4. Okay, so this is how you will solve it. This is the conventional way, by plugging in, using the formula and solving it. The other way is, what you do is, you know that any w1 of n is basically e raised to minus j 2 pi by n. So this is of the form e raised to minus j theta. Now e raised to minus j theta is actually equal to cos of theta minus j sine of theta, right? So if you look at it carefully, this e raised to minus j theta or e raised to minus j 2 pi by n is basically a circular plot. Okay, it's a polar plot, and what happens here is that this is here is the angle which it makes with respect to this particular axis, okay, in the first quadrant. So now e raised to minus j theta would look something like this. E raised to minus j theta would look something like this. This is your theta. So in the clockwise direction, this starts with like your minus theta. The angle is minus theta here. In the counterclockwise direction, this is your theta. Okay, so the radius of this circular plot will be 1. Okay, because this is cos square theta, root of cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1, and the angle it makes with this particular axis is your theta. Okay, e raised to minus j 2 pi by n. So now any w1 of n will be e raised to minus j 2 pi by n, which will look something like this. E raised to minus j 2 pi by n will be, this is your 2 pi by n angle which it is making with respect to this particular line. Okay, so e raised to minus j0 will be this guy here. Okay, now this polar plot has got, this is your imaginary axis, this is your real axis. Okay, this is your imaginary axis and this is your real axis. This is your real axis, this is your imaginary axis. Okay, so now if I have to find out this, right, the w here, wkn of n, wkn of n will have all the variations from w0 of n till wn minus 1 of n. So what is happening here is, for example, if I choose n equal to 4, you take the circular plot, okay, and what is happening is these vectors, your w0 of n will be this guy here. This will be your w0 of n. Okay, this will be your w0 of n, 0 of 4. Okay, same way w1 of 4 will be this guy here. Okay, this guy here will be your w1 of 4. Same way w2 of 4 will be this guy here. Okay, so this will be your w2 of 4, and same way this guy here will be your w3 of 4. This is how it will be. So if I look at it, the values here, right, the values here will be w3 of 4, this will be 1, this will be minus j. Basically you take a circular plot and then split it up into n minus 1 points. So this w0 of 4 will be making an angle of 0 with this point. w1 of 4, if you look at it, w1 of 4 is e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4, which is e raised to minus j pi by 2. So pi by 2 will be this guy right here. w2 of 4 is actually e raised to minus j 4 pi by 4, which is e raised to minus j pi. So e raised to minus j pi makes an angle of minus pi with this, right. So same thing for w3 of 4 will be e raised to minus j 6 pi by 4, which is e raised to minus j 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 will be this particular guy, right. So now the values here, w0 of 4 is 1, w1 of 4 is minus j, w2 of 4 is minus 1, and w3 of 4 is j, right. Same way, like this is your j omega axis, j axis, the imaginary axis, right. This is your imaginary axis. Okay, this has got a j, this is minus j, this is the real axis, which is 1 minus 1. So now what you can do is, since this is a periodic function, w4 of 4 will be, it will repeat. This will be my w4 of 4, this will be my w5 of 4, this will be my w6 of 4, this will be my w7 of 4, and so on. So this will be w8 of 4, this will be w9 of 4, this will be w10 of 4, and this will be w14 of 4, and so yeah, sorry, w8 of 4, 9 of 4, 10 of 4, and 11 of 4. Okay, so w1 of 4, 7 of 4, and w11 of 4. Yeah, so that's how it's going to go. So now if you look at it, I will fill up my this equation here. X of n is given. I will convert it into a matrix format. So x of n is given as, what is x of n is given as? 1 1 2 1. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1. So first thing, I will write it as a vector, which is x bar, column vector 1 1 2 1. Okay, now my formula for DFT is x bar equal to w x bar. So x bar here is x bar vector here is means your x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So this is your DFT coefficient vector, x of 3. Okay, this is your DFT coefficient vector. W vector will be, how I will have my W vector is, this will be my n value. So I am multiplying W vector with, like if you see W vector with a x of 0, x of 1, this is your input, right, and this one. So actually what happens here is every row of W gets multiplied with this column. So if you look at it carefully, my this row will represent k equal to 0, right, because this becomes eventually equal to x bar vector. So this will be k equal to 0. If I plug it in here, w0 of 4, w1 of 4, w2 of 4 and w3 of 4. So this is n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 and n equal to 3. So this gets multiplied with this vector. Okay, so that's how I will create my W matrix. So let me just do it here. So my x bar is equal to W x bar. So x bar here is capital X of 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is my x of 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this becomes equal to W matrix. So you know that k equal to 0 for this row, k equal to 1 for this row, k equal to 2 for this row and k equal to 3 for this row, right? And this matrix had to be multiplied with x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and so 3. Okay, so this will be W0 of 4, W0 of 4, because k is 0, right, n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 and n equal to 3. So this is W0 of 4 and W0 of 4. Same way this column has got n as 0. So this will be W0 of 4, W0 of 4 and W0 of 4. So same way k equal to 1. So this will be W1 of 4. This will be W2 of 4 and this will be W3 of 4. So same in this side, 2 of 4 and W3 of 4. This guy here will be kn is 2 pi, right, 2 into 2. So W4 of 4. Okay, same way this guy is W6 of 4. Same way there it is W6 of 4 and this is W9 of 4. So now I know these values. I have already calculated this. Let me copy this here. Control C. I will copy it here for my reference here. Okay, so this is there with me. So my W matrix here will look something like this, which is 1, 1, 1 and 1. What is my X matrix? It's 1, 1, 2, 1, right? This will be 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is my X bar vector. So this is my W matrix. So this is 1, 1, 1, right? Same way W1 of 4. W1 of 4 is this guy here, which is minus j. W2 of 4 is minus 1. W3 of 4 is 1. So same one here. W4 of 4. W4 of 4, if I go the complete route, it is 1, right? W6 of 4. W6 of 4 is this guy here, which is minus 1. So this will be minus 1. So W9 of 4 is actually, I complete this, come back here to W8 of 4 and W9 of 4 is minus j. Okay, So multiplication of these two matrices, this matrix with this vector will give me my x bar vector. So this will be equal to, if you look at this will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So this will be 2, 4, 5. This will be 1 minus j minus 2 plus 1. So this will be 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 will be minus j, right? Yes or no? 1 minus 2 plus 1. Yes. So yeah, this will be 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus, sorry, this will be, there's one mistake here, I think, right? Yeah, this is a mistake. So W3 of 4. Okay, so W3 of 4 is actually here. W3 of 4 is J. Same way W3 of 4 is J. So I made a mistake here, which is here, sorry. Here. This guy here is J. This guy here is J because this is W3 of 4, right? W3 of 4 is J. This is J. Okay. So now other things look fine. Okay. So this guy here is 1 minus J minus 2 plus J. So this will be, this guy here will be 1 minus J minus 2 plus J. So this will be minus 1, right? Minus 1. Yes. Okay. So same way here, this will be 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1. Same way this guy here will be 1 plus J minus 2 plus minus J, right? So this again will be, this again will be W0, W1, W3, W6. Yes. So this will be minus 1. So this will be your DFT coefficient vector x bar. Okay.